Yo ninjas, I'm Kaio and welcome to the 4-step tutorial. If you haven't seen them, watch the previous tutorials that I made about the 1-step, 2-step and the 3-step. So we're gonna start with the inside 4-step. We're gonna do it clockwise, so we're gonna start going backwards, starting with the left hand on the floor and going this way. So for the first step, it's kinda like doing a hook. So from here, hook, but we're not gonna touch with the right foot on the floor. Not like this, but like this. So again, from the position 0, start with the left hand and doing a hook, but without touching with the right foot on the floor. So 1. The second step is going backwards, jumping, and straighten the right leg. 2, like this. 1 and 2. So in the second step, I'm using both of my hands. From the step number 2, we're gonna switch the leg or the foot. So if in the first 2 steps we touched only with the left foot on the floor, because it was 1 and 2, always the same foot. In the other 2 steps, we're gonna touch only with the right foot. So from the second step, this position, we're gonna lean the right foot on the floor, and when we are about to lean the right foot, we're gonna jump with the left one. And the left one is gonna go in the air. I'm never touching with both feet at the same time. Second step and 3, like this. You can do it in this position or also kinda like a hook in the air, kinda like we did in this side. Or if you want, the first step could be higher. So not kinda like a hook, like this, but you can use it like this, higher. You can even straighten the leg. It doesn't really matter, you can decide which form you prefer, but the important thing is that you do 4 steps. So again, from the start, position 0, 1, 2, 3. Now I think the last step is the easier because it's the most comfortable one. From here, we're gonna jump with the right foot and we're gonna lean always with the right foot but sitting on the heel. And from here, we're gonna just repeat all over again. So from here, again, 1, 2, 1, 2. Again, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna do it slowly one more time and then I'm gonna show it faster. Now, outside 4-step, we're gonna start always in the position 0 and we're gonna go backwards, spinning clockwise, and we're gonna start with the left hand, 1. For the second step, we're just gonna do a small jump with the right foot and go to this position, here, 1, 2. From here, we're gonna switch the legs or the foot and we're just gonna go here. From your right leg, just do a little hop and jump to the other leg and move only on your right arm. This position here is the number 3. 1, 2, 3. And then 4 is very easy, just this. For the 4, just jump with the left foot and go forward. So from here to here. And now you're sitting on your heel again. So one more time slowly and then I'm gonna show it faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm gonna show you a few variations of the 4-step. Most of them are taken by B-Boy J from France. I don't know if he took them from other B-Boys, but I learned them from him, so shout out to him. But remember also to create your own variations, trying to be more creative. That's it for the fourth step. If you want, send me your clips on my Instagram at Kaio, where you try the fourth step or variations of the fourth step, and I'm gonna use them for the next tutorial that is gonna be next Friday about the 5 step. Some people are asking me about power moves tutorial, but I already made many of them. You can check the old playlist link in the description. So for now, I'm just gonna focus on footworks for a little while, and then I'm gonna come back maybe with freezes or power moves or even tricks, jumps, flips. But please be patient for that. If you want, check out my merch, link in the description, and see you next Friday with a new episode. Yo, ninjas!